is something that's definitely a plus for our team. You know, she likes to celebrate, and I appreciate that. You know, there's a lot of things in life we need to be happy about, and Z does a good job of finding those things.
Time now to go all access. You know, when you watch the Gator women's basketball team play, you know the names of the coaches and know the players, but there's a lot of people behind the scenes who do very important work. Dennis Black takes you to inside access with some of those people.
In this edition of All Access, we're going to introduce you to the team behind your Florida Gator women's basketball team.
From Port Orange, Florida, head manager Serena Wilson. Currently working on her master's in sport management from Dade City, Florida, Megan Edwards. And finally, from the Windy City, Chicago's own, Andrew Thompson.
This is the team you've never seen, but makes the Florida Gator women's basketball program look and feel their best. This team is responsible for making sure both the coaches and players have everything they need to get the job done, every day and sometimes at any hour.
Every day before practice, myself and the managers usually get here an hour before, and we usually leave an hour or so after, or sometimes we're here to the wee hours of the night. Basically preparing everything so that the players and the coaches just show up, making sure that the uniforms, practice gears in place, that the practice plans are copied, cones are out, or chairs are out where they need to be, there's enough balls where they need to be. Just error proofing and making sure that everything is ready to go every day.
Everything we do, it helps out the team. They think, how much can a manager do? There's little things that we could have stuff ready, and it just makes the girls' lives easier too, so they can come in along with schoolwork and practice and everything else, so that they can come in and do their job and perform to the best of their abilities. Like I like to tell everybody, I call them all my little sisters.
I get teased a lot. Megan always says that I'll be a great mother one day because I have 14 children now and I'm doing just fine.
Their effort and enthusiasm for their role does not go unnoticed or underappreciated.
There's times when, you know, we'll be driving by and it'll be 10 o'clock at night and Andrew or Megan or Serena, one of them are still here doing laundry. And it's just, I think it's one of the things that some of us take for granted, in that they do so much that we don't, behind the scenes, that we never see. And it's something that I can really appreciate because I didn't have that my freshman year. You know, I had managers that washed their clothes and did a few things here and there, but the things that our managers do are just it's so incredible. They really put their heart into this team.
They do so much for us. I mean, just the little things, like on the road they go get snacks for us, and anything we need, really, we get it. They're those people in the background that you never really see, but they do just about everything for us, and just truly grateful to have them.
I love all our managers, Serena, Andrew, Megan, and all the other student managers. They help us, and they care about us, and what they do it for our best interest. And I mean, anything we need, they'll break their back to go do it or get it for us. So I mean, that's what I love about our managers.
This team appreciates the way they've been accepted by the players and staff of the Orange and Blue. It's been the way they've handled themselves and their ability to think of the Gator players first that has earned them their respect and admiration.
In my mind, I always say I can leave everything of mine as long as I have everything of theirs. You know, I always make sure that things are done for the staff and the team first, and I worry about my stuff later.
It's this relentless effort that has allowed this team to be a part of the Gator women's basketball program. Their passion for their job, whenever it may be, at whatever hour it may be, only helps strengthen the Florida program. For All Access, I'm Dennis Black.
Yeah, it's really great, Amanda, to see them get their moment in the sun there, because you know better than anybody the work that they do behind the scenes, all hours. They do great work for you.
Oh, I'm going to tell you what, it's crucial, their roles. They make our lives easier, but I think what comes across in that more than anything is that they understand how important what they're doing contributes to our success on a daily basis, and it really, really does. They impact us in many, many ways, and we're thankful for them.
Coming up, a look ahead for the Florida women's basketball